guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox this bag. It's from Gucci and we're gonna unbox it. So yeah, we're just gonna...
Wow.
It's a big box, but why does it still need to be in the box?
And here's the receipt.
Oh, there's a receipt. It's nice.
Naka-envelope pa.
This screen looks like matcha.
Yeah. Matcha.
Yeah.
Matcha.
Sometimes I say it wrong. Anyways, here it says Gucci in the front.
Yeah, it says Gucci.
And I think we're supposed... How do we even open it? I think we have to open it. Oh! That's a new style. How many layers does it need? How many layers? Just how many? It still says Gucci, but in a fancy style.
You need to be careful.
Guys!
No, slowly.
There.
Okay. Then put it in front.
Yep. That's
in
good.
front. And also
There.
this.
And the ribbon too.
The ribbon.
I really want to keep the ribbon because it's already. Anyways, this is the bag.
That's the bag.
It says GG for Gucci. I think. Maybe not. Maybe me.
So cute. There's a logo here. And
Ooh, is that a tiger? Is that? It's from Gucci Neo Vintage. Gucci Supreme Messenger Bag. It's made in Italy. This bag is made in GG Supreme canvas and has yellow leather details. It has a beige or ebony color, a classic color of Gucci. It has a brown and yellow leather trims. The hardware is made from brass. It has a green and red web.
Yeah.
It has the oval Gucci leather tag with skull. What kind of skull is this? Is it a
skull?
skull? Is it a tiger or cat?
Cat.
Cat or tiger? Or a lion or I'm not sure. If you know, please comment down below and maybe we can find out. It has interior open pocket, shoulder strap with 20 inches drop.
This is the interior open pocket here.
It has
And a shoulder strap with 20 inches drop. Here it is.
Yep, there it is.
And has
It has cotton
lining
and zipper closure.
and zipper
Closure.
closure.
It measures 24
by 15
by 15.
by 7.5 centimeters.
Yep.
And
the
weighs about 400 grams.
Yep.
Yeah.
It can fit cell phones, wallets, or passports. Yeah. I'm not sure if my iPad can fit in there.
Doesn't.
Too big. My old one can fit in there, but I'm not sure.
But this is a beautiful bag, see?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Inside is the floral
linen lining. And there it says the Gucci tag in there.
Yep.
And here is the serial number. You can see.
If you
Here.
can see it, guys,
Here it is.
then
Yeah.
yeah.
And there are some instructions inside. Also,
You
inside the
better have
packet.
instructions.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. So it's very beautiful. Beautiful. And we're gonna put the.
Ow.
Oh, sorry, Anna.
Sorry.
Sorry. Then we're gonna.
So here are the straps. And this is how it looks like with
Here
the
it
strap.
says Gucci.
Of course, it has to say Gucci on the other side too.
Yeah. Okay. Shoulder strap with 20 inches strap.
Yeah.
Yep.
And this is how it looks.
Then
This is
we're gonna.
And this is how
Like
it looks
this.
like when it
We're
has
gonna
the
press
straps.
here and like that.
Yeah.
You did already?
Yeah. So this is how it looks like.
It's very
It
beautiful.
looks glorious.
It's very, very beautiful.
If only we had it.
Let me try. Oh.
I think it's a little too big for me.
Yes. That is so cute.
If only it was ours. But it's somebody else's. Shout out to my beautiful and generous Ninang L.
Ninang L. Do
Yeah.
you know who you are? Ninang L.
If you know yourself, then comment down below.
Comment down below.
So this bag belongs to you. Your lucky number 28. Congratulations.
and
Enjoy.
Thank you
for watching. Stay safe, everyone, and God bless.
And
And we have a question.
question.
How much do you think this bag cost? Comment down below. Bye.